Mad girl. Yeah, cover what you do. One of my clothes I'm gonna get tight for me in a cartoon. I get blood clot fat. Morning! Skin out my blood clot self. Bomba clot, not the answer I say. Bomba clot, look for my big dirty stinking fat belly. Bomba clot. This not safe, you know. Ivany want go and come here good day. 5 years gone. No. Why? This I need some gin. No, it's too early to start drinking. I'm just going to work later, I know. Wait. No, I need some juice. I need something. Whoop!
She's wrong yet.
Whoop!
Yes.
Eh?
It's not.
No. Big up blood clot control, but ask Christ.
You right.
Control, but good as one good. Nax you, people. Eh? No. Hello? Why? Akamos. Jesus Christ. Activation. Akam Entertainment for the latest in dance. Akamos, Akisha, Aknano bed, Aknano clothes, Aktupan body head, Aktu in a batty wall, you be attack. Hello? Bomba clot. Hello? Good as you say, I 5 blood clot there, me have left on my bomba clot page. A 2 weeks now, good as. Me did I give me even a come contact you in a good language. Me where go. Allow you to continue going with your activation and your akamos and your akara behavior. Good as dragon there. You come here, pit fire, you know. You have blood act 2. Hello, act 2. Act 2. A blood clot 2 in your face, good as. Oh, in your face it's a boss. Smoke off from my gun head, man ask you. Smoke off from my gun head. Hello. Wow. Serious, no? You know it's serious? For you see me go for the dragon, you know. Act 2. Fire spitter. Hello. Bomba clot! Good as you walk and take everybody page of digital. Good as a long time we run around that blood clot for in the year. Everybody asks boy if ice now come for me. Like ice did knock on the door and say, yo, what put it on number there? Ice warming, no. Good as some of me clear up the ice situation for you now, good as. You see me come with the upper ice. I want to phone a blood clot. You have 5 minutes remaining on this call. I don't even remember how the look a slogan go on digital. I don't remember how them talking. You have 1 minute remaining on this call. I'm there up my blood clot ice. Up here, some of them goody. Goody, you cannot act 2 in a blood clot T-Mobile. Man, I ask cut 2. You mad? You drop a lawsuit under them good as and you and them are good as. Let me talk to you again now. Good as you can't suck no blood clot cocky in a T-Mobile everyone good as upper ice, yeah.
Don't cry. I'm not crying.
You see upper ice? You can't blood clot do that good as because we are going to sue T-Mobile good as you are going to go to prison for a very long time. This is 2 different constituencies. You understand me? So the constituency where you live in, you buy credit. Up here, so we pay a blood clot phone bill, good as. Still a pay a phone bill on my mother name still. You know, I put my mother plan and stuff, but you know me a girl pay my blood clot bill a month time see me, not because of my mother name. Yeah, good day. Them look away there. You can't run with blood clot, love and social them way there, good as. Good as. If you think you can act on two, no a blood clot over here, so the blood clot lawsuit when me fight, remember no good as me a girl have liar, remember say what did my big lawsuit drop, good you know remember the people in the fight me feel like money and so, yeah big liar, 80,000 pussy will get out of me. Big up yourself Andrew, I yesterday me and him talk, you change your number Vannies? Now it gone back for speed dial. Good as me now ask you, you can act on two over blood clot here so. This is America. You can't go suck off anybody cocky down in a blood clot. Did yourself a blood clot flick over chip in a name. Good as soon as our blood clot later you still find your blood clot we in our casket. I look like you see over Madden. You well want go over there. You see over Duff cut and it just haunt your soul if you get buried over there. Another so, another that, another that. Good as. So control button, come out here so now I can clear up why you can't take film page. That's why I'm over ice, me there. Me the over ice, you the over the constituency there. You understand me? Over ice this. So I could talk about what you do over for your constituency now, because the whole of them over there, they make you get to with the girl. Girl, you know, say you're fucking sickly. You need to go take care of the blood clot, malnourished, dirty thinking body what you have around your girl. Because I don't know what the bumbo clot people see for you about them are going to go club, go look for you watch her. Girl, you look like bumbo clot, $20 worth of skelly and downtown in the evening part when the whole of the goods them gone. Good as the blood clot do you go there. Good in the whole of you ball out for your attention, but girl, you holler outfit up look like a Cardi B, holler. Good as you stress out yourself in the blood clot attention, you can say your father did molest you. You can say your father did blood clot molest you, good here. Good here, I could talk about the molestation we have go through. You see the hurt and the abuse that you treat your uncle fuck you from them long blood clot time there. You see the all of the thump when your mama thumping in your blood clot head card if you go sell a little fuck and carry in the money. Why we not talk about why you running from Ochi? Make a reason about why you running from Ochi. Your mama have you as a blood clot street slut. I sell you little pussy for you 13 plus. And I get the whole of the blood clot benefits. I never did I get nothing out of the little pussy where you did I sell nothing, girl. You run away from blood clot down there. Because you see you not sell fuck and feed your mama no more. And your mama say, girl, you're not turning on the blood clot house if you're not blood clot fuck and carrying food for make blood clot. Good as you come to Kingston and everybody find out who the fuck is the three girl them beating right back of the taxi. Remember, see the girl them roll up on your right round away your blood clot live there. Run away? I don't tweet number. Let me see. I have your address in my blood clot sitting here. The three girl them catch you and them beat out your blood clot because you're there in Kingston and run around and I look love. The amount of love where you walk and I look pour little eye water every day you depend. You check. Follow me. What me don't know if boy slogan wherever and you go on. The boy mad yo. The little boy mad blood clot yo. Seemingly him is a youth to go in everybody inbox and make them feel like the world. And show you not no love in your blood clot. Nobody not give you no love. You is troubled. Nobody, your mama not like you, your papa not like you, nobody in your family not like you. The little bit of blood clot ambition where you say you did have left, you take you go sell fuck. You say you're way out to sell a little blood clot fly infestation pussy. The only blood clot pussy when they on the earth and nobody know why. You are shape the quarter pound of blood clot saltfish for the 87 cents for rubbing on your crotches. The 87 blood clot American sent to the people them a wallow up in your bumbo clot. Because you don't have any love, you don't have a man, nobody know. I don't know which blood clot upcoming sodomite or Batman in a digicel who I give them one heap of number, yeah. But I suggest say you need to tell them say they need to start give you $500 each for the blood clot prescription. Dirty girl, the prescription need to fill, goody. Goody, the time when your blood clot take boy your act page, somebody need to see your act and two in your blood clot face. Good as you want a broadboard cross your blood clot body. Good me know say one lick of you bend up like one of them blood clot wire that they use make hanger. Yeah, good because I say you look blood clot flimsy. As we touch you and drop a blood clot ground. So sickly. That is how your blood clot look. So blood clot sickly goody. But you walk and take everybody page and you walk and take everybody this. Good as go take your medication them. Sick girl. STD factory. Go and go take the bumbo clot medication them. The taking of the page them not help you good as. We realize say you look for fucking attention. Well, here it is. Dirty hole, here it is. Infestation to God's civil blood clot earth. Dirty hole, you need to visit the clinic at least 3 times a day. Your injection them need for blood clot triple. Because me know say your bumbo clot are rotten down and a sick and a dead. And so you say you're sick and a bumbo clot dead. You just come here and say you want everybody for sorry for you as a blood clot AIDS victim. Go and go take your bumbo clot medication them and clean up the blood clot infestation and the dirty infection and the STD them and the whole heap of blood clot corruption when they are dirty body. Go drink some lampile goody. Go take some vitamin. Go get some iron tablet. Christ. Yeah, pit fire. I'm not asking. Yeah. Pick up yourself. I hear it's in my business. I am not going to talk about mine. I'm glad for you. Yeah. How them bumbo class to make you for watch you on blood clot stage? Look at me now. Say me a good man. I'm going to take up blood clot 87 blood clot hard earned Mercasent. Wipe in a one blood clot girl will look like Miss Anansi. Hey Miss Anansi? Hey Miss Anansi, what one? Miss Bumbo Clot Anansi how the blood clot go on. Eh? Good as education couldn't help your bumbo clot. Your mama sell your pussy from it too young. You never did get enough benefits out of the crutches one time it did a hole. Now the pussy leg or your mama blood clot let you go as a street whore. And now you as a street infected blood clot or you just walk and I infect the whole blood clot place. You take page, you take this, you take that, and not take your blood clot medication them. Eh? I want the blood clot medication them there, girl. Aidsly. I want the blood clot medication them there, Aidsly. The time when you take Instagram page and a boy you have link in a blood clot digicel, you need to go link a pussy clot doctor, girl. You need some lampile. You need some vitamin supplements. Good as the AIDS treatment, nobody's how you think, you know. Go drain your dirty blood. Sickly girl, go and go blood clot. Good as go leak out your dirty thinking blood out of you. Go take some dialysis or blood clot and go drain your dirty blood, girl. I've only from me see you to blood clot goody. You don't look moldy, you don't look musty, you just look stink. You just look like you smell like one condom with fucking where a STD product in and it up on the sidewalk for days and you pick it up, you smell all that stink. I saw you look like you smell. You smell like used condom goody. You smell like you just done fuck a stink hood every blood clot time we see you. With the blood clot dirty breasts them for your teeth. Look like the cum they stuck up all bout in the blood clot teeth. Cause the cum them boy you look like them blood clot come like Kregel milk in a good day. You look like a blood clot Kregel blood clot milk you are drinking. With the whole of your mouth corner frat up like Fidini. Good the whole of your mouth corner frat up like your name Bumbleclad Sud. It's time when your Bumbleclad to take pH, good you go take your medication them. The antibiotic them not do not more than clean up your dirty thinking hole. Why you take the pH them good you still not make no blood clot sense? You not make no blood clot money every time you see you look blood clot hungry. Good you are the blood clot example of dumpling and butter. We don't want that no more. Good you look hungry every time you come live. Every time you come live for the people that pay for your teeth. Watch it. Oh? Watch it. Good you look like a bumbleclad madman pan crack cocaine to pussy clad and somebody hug you at the same time. Cause somebody must hug you if you can't get in the goodie. Goodie, you see fear blood clot catches and you have a sell a blood clot Jamaica and the reason why the economy is down. That's why the blood clot economy down. Cause of infestation, dirty infected blood clot human like you. A cell fuck down there now. What, 3-4 bills for fuck you? What, 300 Jamaican dollar? Dog, that's like $3 US for fuck you. But getting the promos them would work. For you can talk with your blood clot teeth, them look so. Good as scrape off your dirty braces off of your teeth. Your teeth then done fuck up already, you ever look cranny. Some don't know why you gonna put on them the braces. All you have one little girl, boy, you suck off her 2 little guinea them. Me have the video right now. It's a disturbance to blood clot lesbian everywhere. You understand what you deal with? You, Ivany, to how you're all big and stink and you're drunk. And how you gonna take this, you gonna take that, the goodie way you can take. Go take your medication, them. Ivany, you can't talk to me. Remember, say I'm a paid vlogger. Nobody now pay you for you never get a booking. Then, girl, you better stick to the blood class cell pussy policy where you have. And what? For what? Me, you know say you have blood clot how much you pay for your teeth. You boss yet? You boss yet? When you boss? Ivany right? Ivany suck with drink come right? Ivany, go get a blood clot education goodie. The only thing you blood clot good for big pussy girl if you go swing pan pole. Suck with and drink come and lick out batty hole. You never know. And that your name signifying in the blood clot dictionary. Miss drink come, Miss lick out batty hole. Remember that I use say $1,500 for lick out boy batty and sharp ice and blow cool breeze in a batty. Me never been shitty call me pussy dan. That you fi call me. Oh, pam batty talk. No batty boy can heal me. Me not do batty shreps. You do talk. All life you come and lick out blood clot batty and a sharp ice and a blow in a batty hole. I want to Alaska. I want to girl. Man a shit in your blood clot mouth of Jamaica. Jamaica tile it. Ivany tile it right. Are you me a talk? Man shit bucket. You me a blood clot address. And hope over life. Me no need no bumbuckler views from you, goodie. Me no want no stolen page from my life. Go get a bumbuckler life. You hear that? Up to in your stinking bumbuckler face, dirty girl. Big suck with dirty drink come shit in a mouth, girl. Oh, you Ivany? Ivany, you can't class nobody. Remember say a pole, you sit down and bumbuckler jump up on. A man pay 500 Jamaican dollars to jump up in a dirty hole where you have. Oh, you fi style somebody when they must shit in your mouth for your price. Oh, you fi call nobody shitty when they must shit in your mouth for your price. Everybody cussing you blood clot in it. Oh, you fi call me Dan, we shitty. And you cuss with the most batty man. You ever see me tangle up with batty blood clot boy yet? I hear occupation that. Ivany, every batty man at Jamaica know what it feel like to jump up in a think hole where you have. The think hole where God bless you blood clot with. Every batty man will rinse out at a batty hole with them cocky. affi come in a blood clot you. Heavy bumbo clot body man know when feel like you slam out your hole like a door without blood clot hinges, girl. Ivany, during we how you thief them the page, how much you make? And you still look broke and hungry every bumbo clot there, girl. I want to use one of my clocks them and beat in your bumbo clot head. And the most expensive beating that you would ever get in your life, girl. You feel like me a deal with mama, you get it free. Cause bumbo clot 500 Jamaican dollars fi fuck you in a infestation. Dirty hole, big hole, nasty fuck. You are the worst blood clot fuck with that yard. You can't call nobody shitty. When how much body man talk about them fuck you and come in your bumbo clot mouth. Because any price open for your car door. He bumbo clot that girl. You old bumbo clot long time ladder. Fuck out like it mattress them when they on a GP. You never know how much man sleep on them, they mattress them for years. Girl, you rub out no bumbo clot. Hey girl, you look like the caretaker them want change. Pussy well in on a grip, can't hold road. Go suck your mother, girl. Boy, you take page. You need to go take your bumbo clot medication, damn. Good as with your big stinking soddy bumbo clot hole. I want to that bumbo clot body man fuck is there. I want to your girl, no body boy can't say they ever come and shit in my hole yet. But your hole shitty. Your hole coming like the pit them with their blood clot Jamaica country them pit tile to all you have, girl. Big pussy, think pussy Ivany. Who you? Eh? Hacker bumbo clot. I wish feel patient at a hack. I want alone a blood clot dance like she. Eh? What kind of blood clot link? Oi! I show the whole of Jamaica blood clot idiot. No, Ivany. No, one blood clot Ivany. Who is Ivany if he kill? Ivany sell fuck and dance on stage. Who no one but no page them. Me know where the blood clot girl live. Them three girl they were beating at the back of the blood clot taxi. Just know say, them know where you live, them know where you sell fuck and they know which part your blood clot dance pan pole. Who no one blood clot kill that? Eh? Who no want that for blood clot dead man? And that me I say, who no well want the troubled blood clot individual to live? Ivany, how are you? Ivany, me say, you say you give me 5 days so good. So good. You say you give me so good. You say you give me 5 days. So good. Take it today. You see, bro? Mama, right there now, let me show you how blood clot me have some loyal fans. Then tell me which part you sell fuck. Then tell me where your blood clot dance for the pool. All of your blood clot live. Me send a screenshot. Them send that come give blood clot me. Girl, them a Jamaica loyal, you know. Sell fuck. You see, girl, them a Jamaica when they sell fuck, them very loyal. Hey, Ivany. Me know say inna that the go-go club the way your blood clot work. Me know say inna the room where you're there the stinkiest one. Cause you just look stink. You just look like you smell like one used condom bead. You see me? You look like you smell like one blood clot used condom or one thinking fuck going in. Yeah man. For you see you. You just smell like one of them bed that we have 10 different fuck going in a few night. Yeah man. Yeah man Ivany. You see me? I want the Ivany man. How much body man fucking in your hole already Ivany man and you drink all that come man. Remember you say you are the freakies, you know. Cause when you have one boy fuck you and not come in your blood clot hole, you tell him no. I know your throat you want it. Remember you say that my man never suck my pussy but me fi just suck you hood and drink come like the piece of shit that I am. Ivany, blood clot name cocky right. You never name a civilized cocky yet. Pay body man. And you wouldn't even fucking tap them. And the girl want them you make fuck you. And you drink all them blood clot come cause I'm a freak. Oh, baby, I'm a freak. Boy, you suck off 2 guineas. What do you see a burn out blood class sodomite? Then me see our malnourished blood class skeleton in our bed of fuck. It wanna look malnourished, no bumbo clad. Like me just want to use 1 jug of lamp oil and wet up on a bumbo clad, daddy. And the worst sex tape that me ever see. Nothing now go on. Them the titty that will look on the bumbo clad chest there. Look like 2 special cream crackers. Look like 2 blood clot. Look like, oh, the blood clot. I say, how come them 2 thinking, girl? Look in the room, look think. All the sheet brown, you fuck, you can't see they no wash. You see me? You see curtain on the window. I tie them use one blood clot string and tie it up. Good as you live some body in Jamaica. And you walk and get some much problem. Good as, go buy some curtain rod. Go buy some curtain rod, Ivany. Ivany, go buy some curtain rod, good as. We are use string and a tie. So on a hot girl and a cell fuck and a dance pan pole. Can't buy a sheet. Can't buy a blood clot curtain rod. Come on. Where you sell fuck for? You fuck outdated and antiquated no bumbo clot. And what do you, my friend? You drink come and make body man a fuck you for nothing, daddy. Drink come Ivany, right? Ivany, your mouth supposed to smell like a fresh load of poop. One fresh load of poop every time you open your mouth. Because a be your body man does a shit in your blood clot mouth, so. Because body man they love bumbo clot shit in your mouth, you know. And that then do in the youth. You see me? All your mouth supposed to smell like one blood clot load of blood clot shit. All your mouth with your blood clot yarn is supposed to sound like somebody does make a blood clot poop. More think. Eh? Look at, yeah, you see me boy, I get thick, you know it already. Life is good. My wife not give me no bun, my name clean pussy every night. She tested negative for everything. Ivany, you should have be like come and wall out on the pussy and get a good husband to come take care of you and sit there, you see me? But you sell out the whole of like a quarter pound of saltfish you have underneath your good ass. Well, I just tease out. It done. Your walls them frail. You see me? You know what is frail? Your walls them finish and them tender and done. If a body go inside of that, it's slippery when wet. You understand me? Slippery when wet, big hole. You get me? Big hole. Big hole. Stop hack page and go hacking at the blood clot system. What they have in the blood clot AIDS treatment, good as. Me here say they have the blood clot antivirus for the AIDS. Go and go hacking at that. Help yourself. Make yourself better. Feel my big one because you are a big one. Me get for understanding now. You look at thinking blood clot hole and give you a problem underneath there. You feel like you have a look at dirty AIDS and sitting down with that. What am I doing? You see me big one? I just said go. Feel me? In other news, my love and daddy. Later. Oh.